Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got this XL500 motor here, and in this video here I show you how to take off the motor off the bike. Slack off my air box here, and then I pop the carburetor off. Intake boot. I got an automatic decompression, and I've got a manual cable here, which is right up here. So I'm gonna take that one off. So the wire for the motor is right here. So that's red. And go to a faded red, and then yellow and somewhat yellow. And this plug here. Okay, remember how it goes in there. There's a spring here. I slacked off the wheel so I could take the sprocket off the motor. I couldn't split the chain because there's no master link in it. I'm going to take my two mining bolts out, one here and one down here. Then I'm going to put a wrench on the other side here. I'm going to take my guard off here. The bottom bolt here. We'll take that off later. 14 mil there. One bolt out there should come right out. Since the motor is loose, I'm going to hold the motor here. Just got to drop a little bit.